In today's video, I'll show you how to recover permanently deleted Instagram account on your phone. All you have to do is select the profile icon and tap on this down arrow and select the add Instagram account option and select the login into existing account. Just close this and and now type the Instagram account username and password you already deleted. After typing the account details, select the login option. Want to keep using this account you requested to delete this account, have until January 10, 2026 to let us know. Select this keep account option and select the login option. And as you can see, we successfully logged into that account that I has been deleted before. And that's how you can recover deleted account. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.